We interrupt this program because of an emergency. Important information will follow.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Shoshone County in the panhandle of Idaho until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:14 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles east of St. Mary's, moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Calder.
This concludes operations under the Inland Northwest Emergency Alert System. We now return to our regular programming.
This Saturday, but we
interrupt this program because of an emergency. Important information will follow.
Issued at 5:41 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Shoshone County in the panhandle of Idaho until 8:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:40 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Calder and Huckleberry Campground. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Shoshone, Idaho.
This concludes operations under the Inland Northwest Emergency Alert System. We now return to our regular programming.
we have today. But here's the